Okay. Hi everyone. Can't remember who was that. Hi everyone, tis me Soxky, and I'm here because we're gonna play Goat Simulator in the beta version. Yeah. How do you? Sorry, my computer is not very good. I mean, it's good, but okay. So I'm guessing WASD to move. Okay. Yes. Very well. Space to jump. Oh, yes. Yes, 10 out of 10. Good job, goat. Oh, no, that's pleasant. Will you be my pet? Will you be my, precious pets like those tuxedo kittens at the animal shelter today? Yes. No, you're bad and you should feel bad. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I jumped over an obstacle. I'm really talented. Okay, wall runs, oh, yes. Gravity? What is gravity? I don't know what this gravity is. You don't. Oh, I have to. Okay. Oh, car. Let's do a car. Oh. Okay. That's cool. Alright, that's good with me. Ooh, oh, hello, car. Will you be my friend? Person? Dancing people. Yay! I'm on that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, I can eat riddles. Riddles. Yes. This is like defying everything known to man. Hello. I need... No! You are bad and you should feel bad. I need to blow that car up because I'm a goat and I can do what I please. Except it's running around in circles being a complete idiot. Stop it! Stop! Fine, be that way. Be that way. No, goat, don't get hit! You are bad. Knocking, easy knock. How do you... Oh, okay. What? What do I want to knock over? Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, how about this car? No, bad. This is... God, goat, you're so bad. Let's go over here then. Ooh, how about one of these? No! Its neck is being twisted and apparently goats can pick up cars now. God dang it. Get up, run, go. These humans are gonna eat you. Go, how do you... Oh my god, it's tongue. Can we do this? I believe in you. No, oh, okay. That's cool. Fine. Maybe boxes aren't your thing. No. Oh, my computer just made a noise like, no. Oh, how about this? Fine, I'll just do you. Skill shots, okay. Skills. Mascots. What? What object? It sounded so weird. I was like, what? What objects should I not? Because... Ooh, cars. Yay. Oh! Okay. That's fine. I'm not sure what just... What? Oh, yay, I completed it. Where, what is happening? What? I'm just trying to turn up my brightness. What on earth? What? Oh, I fell into the light. Whee! I feel like a special goat. Oh, I feel like a special goat. Let's see, how do I... This music is like my jam. I don't think my dog likes this. He was barking. Yes, 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 yes. No. What? Goat? Please don't do it. Scared him. Oh, is this? I thought this. Is this supposed to be like Stonehenge over here? No. I think maybe. Am I breaking Stonehenge? No! 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 I think that is supposed to be Stonehenge. Oh, the goat's hinge. Oh. Ah. Okay. That's actually an awful pen. No! Don't rant about me. Well, this would happen. Did that person just get hit by... Okay. What are physics? I'm going to check my timing. 6 minutes, okay. I have like, oh, what's in here? Oh, it's a fan! This math is so cute. How do I... Let's look at all the controls. Shift, M. This way. Move, 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 you fat little... Lag. Is this lag? What is... I am deeply confused. What? Run, goat, run. Run, goat, run. Run, forward. Oh. This music. I'm sure you guys are like, stop. Please, stop. Turn it off. Okay, let's try and find out the controls. Oh, it's so cute. V, C, spaces, jump. We. Of course, W, A, S, D. Look at me. And shift is run. What about enter? Oh, he's eating! Enter makes you eat! Oh wait, what? What are you doing? I am deeply confused by your actions. Here, I'll turn this up. Oh god! It's like... Wait, is it coming back now? This is beautiful. The majestic goat runs through the tall grass, hunting for its next prey. Its next prey is unaware of its presence. It sneaks through the grass, trying to find a mouse. I'm sure you guys are like not even watching this. Oh yes, by the way, I got a DeviantArt. I'll put a link to it. There's like a link. I'm too lazy to... Nah. Well, it's Satsuki-Merchi. Ooh, people. Come, goats, come. Go get them, goat. Your neck. You're like, Look, people. Are they like trying to cast... What, is this like the goat fighting pin? No, goat fighting is wrong. It's like dog fighting, but with goats. You just... Oh god. Oh god! Its body was like pulped into a cocoon. Go! Go! No! Your neck! Your poor little goat neck! Go get him! Goats, get them! Ah! I I'm so funny. No, bad goat, stop. Bad, no. Let's kill all these evil fight people. You're on. Okay, that's not pleasant. Goat fighting is illegal in the USA. Go, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. What is that? What? What on earth is the what? Is that like a rat? Or is that like a tiny giraffe? Or is that a tiny goat? Five minutes. No, bad, stop. Poor goat. What are they doing? Crying? Is this like some kind of sacrificial practice? Sacrificing of the goat? An offering to the gods and goddesses of Goatland? Oh no, that would be frowned upon because Goatland, sacrificing goats, that would be like human land, earth, sacrificing. But if their god was goat, then wouldn't... Goat, let's fat! Let's fat! No, don't bully me! It's so small, it makes me feel bad. Oh god, I'm like morbidly obese. Look. Look at that. Shrimp-crowns. I can't help but to eat all the crackers in the fridge. Saltines. Saltines, yes. No, bad. Stop. No, don't spin. Don't spin. But seriously, don't spin. Don't, no. 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 Okay. I'll stop talking in accents. What are you doing? Go. Get up. You silly goose. Attack, 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 attack. Attack, attack, attack. For the bunnies. The bunnies are evil. They're scary. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Man, this is like the definition of love. Anyways, well, bye everyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this mildly disturbing video of Goat Simulator. Bye everyone, and thanks for watching. Meow. Okay.